Hello DIY enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the features of the DECTEAM C011R Laser Level, a compact and lightweight tool that's perfect for all your indoor home improvement projects. This versatile laser level boasts a horizontal and vertical cross-line red beam, projecting a clear and sharp 110 degrees wide angle with impressive accuracy of plus or minus 1/9 inch at 33 feet. With its self-leveling mode, it can adjust within 4 degrees plus or minus 1 degree, flashing a warning if the tilt angle exceeds 4 degrees, while the manual mode lets you lock the laser at any angle for precision work. Built to withstand the rigors of any project, its IP54 protection grade ensures it's dust, water, and shock resistant, making it a reliable companion for any handyman. The 1/4-20 threaded mount allows for easy attachment to a tripod or micro-adjust base, giving you the flexibility to adjust the angle for optimal results. Plus, with DECTEAM's commitment to customer satisfaction, you're backed by a 2-year after-sales guarantee, ensuring peace of mind with every use. Whether you're laying bricks, installing wall art, or hanging wallpaper, the DECTEAM C011R Laser Level is your go-to tool for precision and ease. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.